Epa lagunok ongetorri lastotxaparen kanale eta gaurkoan zehose aldatzeagatik ekarriko dugu Vermintide 2 kanalera eta gauzak ondo egin baditugu, ahal izango genuke DLC berri hori frogatzea eta beraz, printzipioz hemen. Vale. Bi aukera dago, kasu honetan, joango gara lehenengoarekin. Eta ia norbait topatzen dugun, bestela botekin joango gara aurrera. Guazen laguno. Barrura goaz. Gure gerilean elfarekin batera.
I'm not gonna lie. Bergenhafen has a poor reputation, what with one thing and another. But lately, things have been getting worse. Plague, sickness and disappearances. The usual trademarks of our packed sworn friends. So, what say you get your lazy arses upriver and see what's what? Take your best gear. I reckon this will be a sticky one.
Eskinrite baino gogorragoa dut uste. A ver, nolako den mapa hau eta hori, oraindik ez dugu frogatu. Eta behintzat horrela itzultzen txapur bat Vermintide bira. Guazen aurrera. Ea zer aurkitzen dugun hemendik.
Gruner was right. There's a plague in this place. I can smell it from here.
All this chatter about gangs and conspiracy is a slum, Dory. Sickness breeds like rabbits down there. Black Book gang, indeed.
They'll be hiding, but we'll find them. And then, they'll talk.
A ver.
You're handy in a tight spot, you know that?
Vale.
It's not a proper river if it's not foaming white over rocks.
Vale. Suposa el zunto orain, gora joan bergarela. A ver. Oi, ba. Horra ere badaudela. Eta ez ditugu ikusi. Hauek ez. Oso gorrak dira. Vale, orain oleada bat. A ver. A ver, guazen. Eskabenak akabatzera eta bat. Ez gara joango Grimorien bila ez horrelako ez. Vale. Vale, lehenengo oleada ganditu dugu.
We make a pretty good team, I must admit.
Vale. Vale, hortik barrua sartu beharko gara.
Blimey, bit exciting hereabouts, isn't it, sir?
The world seethes with challenge for righteous souls.
No, I don't mind that, sir. Just wish it had leave me alone for a bit, if you follow.
Which would you prefer? the challenges posed by the world, or those I would set you if you showed weakness?
Assassin!
A ver, غرف من برغالة. A ver.
This way! Onwards!
Gascon, coming in!
Yes. It means to kill us as it dies.
Vale, va a ser...
You stink stronger than you stride!
Pongo la aurrera. Barbadero días lagos de ser. Meneres. Vale. Sartzen den pertsona guztiak ongo dira ondo. A ver. Zer daukagu hemen. Bizitza.
Bergenhafen has ever been a center for trade. It is said that more gold passes through these warehouses than the outdoor treasures.
Well, not surprising. I mean, I like coal throats and all, seems a fair man. Grand taking cat. He's a penny pincher.
Cravat, still your petulant tongue.
I'm just saying that if we all had fancy magic swords like his, we'd sort the Northlanders out in no time. But then, he'd have fewer rats, wouldn't he?
Someone kill that coward straggler! Weapons up! Fight like it's payday!
Vale. Uy, 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 uy. Uf, uf, uf. A ver, guaset. Guasen. Vale.
They brought up a warp fire thrower.
A ver. Joan behar gara hemendik, suposatzen dut.
A warp fire thrower. We need to kill it. I killed a warp fire thrower. This is more than mere pestilence. The dark gods hang heavy over Bergenhofen. Hold on, mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Vale, hemendik bat diru joan behar garela.
I sense a gunner waiting in ambush. Here, healing draft.
Be careful! Gas relax! Look out! That's big gun!
Vale. Vale. Pasen aurrera. Antelio, seguramente dago.
Vileness! Gloomidir! At last, the Gloomidir's dead.
A ver. Vale.
More fire! More flames! Warning! We're about comedy program!
Guazen. Vale, guazen hemendik. Hemendik da.
Down here!
Vale,
Are you
guazen
happy now you
hemendik.
set light to something, Sienna? Delighted, darling. Can we do it again? Oh, I'm sure opportunities will present themselves.
Vale.
I hear a troll. I smell the troll. It is a troll.
A troll! Of course it's a troll!
I hear a fight.
Drink and die happy!
A ver. Ya.
The gunner is shook.
That's a fire rat! Someone kill it! Well, so much for warp fire. Will the ratties ever learn? Heads up!
Nurglen. Ja, gau etorlariak faltan botatzen dituan hemen. Ahí va.
This, darling!
Vale. Vale.
Wanna dance?
Vale.
Light leech lurking, mayflies.
Ya. Tenim potola non dago. Vale. Ahora son ipotxarekin.
These stairs go up.
Vale, guatzen gora.
I breathe.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this story. No point hiding, black
Yeah.
books. I'll sniff you out. Gutter runner. I'm all for a bit of quiet, but not now.
Not so good in a fair fight, assassin. We have lost again. What in Drakira's name is in this bottle?
Vale, gora.
Feels good to be burning something, doesn't it, Saltspire?
Gora. Vale, ok.
Powder, it's all here!
Vale, behar dut munizio gehiago. Vale. Vale.
Heretics! I shall redeem you all in blood!
Swiftly now, darlings! Get those windows back up!
Vale. Ah, bueno. Pasen. Va. Ia astiak laguntzen dugun.
Find new friends. Meet new creatures, little one.
Murderous eyes all around us.
Interceptera ikusten. Guazen.
A rot hell. Full of fear than you, big one.
Vale. Ya bueno. Vale. Guazen aurrerago.
Don't run! He just wants to be your friend. Only Psychopath, a dead one. That shot was something special.
A ver.
Everything. I'll not have another one of those.
Gaua da. Kilkerrak entzuten direlako eta Vale.
This wizard
Vale. Western Down. Ez, venga, ya, orain falta zitzaiguna. Zein berdugu. Pasen. Vale, hemendik izan daiteke, ez dakit.
It hurts.
Fuck!
Can't mistake that sound. It's a troll about.
It's a troll!
Venga, ya.
Sonic! That comes when it's right over. Hammer in!
No time for resting, Gorikson.
Vale. Orain ni erreskatatu beharko naute. Baina, bueno, tokatzen zera gauza hori da. Baina, bueno, non nago. Da.
Rothelm incoming!
Gau esaren garlarion hori korneko oso gorra da. Vale, handik ez dakit non daude. Espero dut gertu egon behar direla. Bapaten agertzen dira pila bat. Zen...
Yes, it's funny, isn't it?
Vale, hor daude. Ja, maar ez daukat.
Doesn't he sound happy?
Bombardier, hold your breath and shield your eyes.
Igual joango de mendik.
I see a wolf by a thrower.
See, Mayflies? That walk capture wasn't so bad.
Back on your feet, Gruber.
Down it is.
Hemendik izango da. Badirudi baiet. Hemendik. Hemendik ez da.
Here, ammunition.
A vile brew makes no mistake.
Joder. Noski ez egin behar dela.